Welcome back to the channel, guys. Like I always start the video off with, please subscribe to my channel. As you guys can see, today's trash day. So what I'll be doing today is basically clearing my whole backyard with trash. So today's day one, guys. And yeah, so I want to discuss what's going to be going on. So I did something different than most builders do. I waited to the end of my project to rent out a dumpster. Basically, the reason why I did that is because it saved me thousands of dollars. Since my project is in my backyard, I have the opportunity to basically leave my trash in my backyard, and that saved me a lot of money. So now, since I'm ending this project and almost fully complete, I now rented a dumpster, so I'm gonna clear my whole backyard. Me waiting to the end saved me so much money because this dumpster cost me $305 a week. Plus taxes, it came up to about $340. So think of me paying that for 6 months to 10 months. That's a lot of money. So if you're doing a project like this and you have the opportunity to not over leverage dumpsters, I recommend it. Because some dumpster companies charge you $400 weekly, $450 weekly. Luckily, I was able to find one that charged me $340. And now I'm going to clear my whole backyard and I'm going to show you guys the whole process. So a lot of you guys are watching YouTube and you guys probably think, oh, I want to start building, but you don't understand how ugly building could get. Look at my backyard. Before, my backyard used to be beautiful, but it's okay for your backyard to get messed up because at the end of the day, you're going to get a finished project and it's going to look beautiful. And you could always make your property look amazing again. So what I'm going to do in this video, you're going to see me throw away all this unnecessary stuff. I'm going to get rid of all these trash, and then I'm going to start working on getting my grass how it used to look before I started this project. So you guys could see here, I have bricks all over the place. I have bricks all over the place. I have old, what's it called? What's that? Sheetrock? Old sheetrock. I have PVC pipes. Look at all this trash I have, guys. So like even this, like I have water lines, but see, I'll probably keep these for my next project or let my plumber use it for the fixtures and inside. But like, guys, look at all this trash. The only problem with waiting for to the end is basically every subcontractor will keep piling on trash, on trash, on trash. And honestly, I'm okay with it because it's saving me a lot of money. Because think about it, guys. If I had a dumpster weekly or for every subcontractor, I would have to keep paying all this money to get the trash just for my backyard to look half decent. But if you guys could see, I'm going to get rid of all this trash. I'm going to get rid of all these stuff that's just sitting, laying around on my property, making my property look a mess. Look at this microwave box, guys. It's just like a bunch of BS. And look at all of this, guys. But when you do certain things, it's messy. Like one of the biggest things I learned about construction, it's messy. It's not beautiful. A lot of people can't really see something turn from ugly to beautiful. They just want to get something beautiful right away. But if you stay the course, you're going to be able to build a building like this. Look at this, guys. You guys been watching since day one. And look what we did so far. Look at everything we did. Look what we built, guys. So I appreciate you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I get rid of all this trash. And hopefully you guys are going to be able to see how beautiful I'm able to make this backyard. But subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay updated and watch the process. Let's go. Like there's trash everywhere in my property, but I'm going to get rid of it. I have the dumpster for 7 days. So I have 7 days to throw all this trash in the dumpster. And I think that's more than enough time. And it's going to save me a lot of money. So why not, right? So guys, look at all this trash everywhere. So I got to throw these things away. Throw all these away. Can anyone guess what this is? Drop in the comment if you know what this is. Plumbing fixtures, installation. It's all good, guys. I'm not stressing. I'm not worried. I'm going to throw away all of this, and again, my property is going to look brand new. So, guys, it's only been day one, but look at all the progress we made. So some of you guys probably wondering, like, why didn't he hire someone? So to be honest, I'm an owner builder, and I'm Samti, like I told you guys several times in my video. But my goal is to become a builder. So basically, I'm using this tiny house project to learn every process, whether it's framing, whether it's garbage disposal, whether it's what's it called, installing windows. So this project to me is like my blueprint to become a successful builder. So honestly, I chose to do a lot of this labor work just so I could learn the process. So one day when I have workers and I have people working under me, they can't complain, they can't make excuses because I've been there. I've done every part of the building process. So if you guys could see, we made progress. It's only day one. I have the dumpster for 6 more days. So look, guys, a lot of progress has been made. I'm gonna keep going. I'm never gonna stop. Like my logo and my message is stars always shine. So never give up, guys. Look everything we accomplished. For my viewers that have been watching since day one, look at this, guys. Look how far we came. This is amazing, and I'm gonna keep going. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Let's get it. For this tiny house, I'm doing a lot of labor intensive things, but my end goal is to become a builder. So this is probably only time you guys are gonna be seeing me put a lot of labor and manual labor in, because essentially I'm gonna have a team that's gonna do all this stuff. But I just really wanted to do this project so I could learn. Because like I keep saying, my end goal is really to become a developer and builder. So I'm just using my tiny house in my backyard to learn the process, to learn the labor it takes to do these type of things. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like what you've been watching and subscribe to my channel. I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. Nothing stops the grind and hustle. Keep watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hope you guys like the fire content I've been delivering you guys. Sorry. Hope you guys like the fire content I've been delivering you guys. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I'm in the dumpster right now. We've got a lot of stuff done. See, there's a lot of trash. There's pieces of wood from framing. There's pieces of flooring. There's pieces of sheetrock. So much things in this garbage. We're making progress. So like I was telling you guys earlier in my video, I'm saving a lot of money. So basically, let's do some numbers. This dumpster cost me $350 to rent for the week. And I've been at my current project for about 12 months. So let's see how much I would have spent if I had this dumpster since the start of my project. $350 times 4. $350 times 4 because it's 4 weeks in a month. $1,400. So it would have cost me $1,400 to keep this dumpster by the month. Now we times it by 12. It would have cost me $16,800 to keep this dumpster. $16,800 to keep this dumpster for 12 months. Look how much money I'm saving by waiting till the end. So right now, I only paid about $350 to keep this dumpster by the week. I cleared a lot already, and to be honest, that's the best way to do it. I'm an owner builder, and I've been learning so much in this project. So I don't know what's the best way to have dumpsters when you're doing a big scale project like a residential house or commercial. But I know in my case, this was the best strategy because it saved me thousands of dollars, and you guys seen the numbers I showed you. So let's take a look at what we got left. So I came up with a strategy to make us go a little faster. So this is my residential trash can and my residential recycle bin. So what I'm doing is I'm basically taking all the waste and stuff that is trash and I'm dumping it in here, and I'm taking this and I'm pulling it to the dumpster and I'm offloading it into the dumpster. I found that that's been helping me move a little faster. But look what's been done, guys. It's starting to look a little more clear. I have some boxes that I need to get rid of. But look, guys, I can finally see the floor. I haven't seen this floor in 12 months. So it's good to see that we're making progress. But check it out. Guys, see, not too much left. So I have this dumpster until Tuesday. So I'm trying to hurry up and finish. So when you're renting a dumpster, especially a 10-yard dumpster, you can't go over 1 ton. So basically, I need to get rid of these bricks. Hopefully, I don't think I'm at a ton right now, but I need to get rid of these bricks. So if I surpass a ton, I have to pay an additional $70, and it's okay because I want my property clear. So I'm gonna put these bricks in the dumpster. Hopefully, I stay underweight. If I don't, it's all good. But so you guys might be wondering where these bricks came from, and what happened was when I extended my driveway in the front, there was a couple bricks that was like making my driveway a little longer. So when my concrete team came and dug it out. They had the bricks and then they just brought it back here and dumped it, which is a mistake because now I'm doing extra work getting rid of it. At the same time, I didn't have a dumpster or anywhere for them to put it, so I'm doing the hard labor. So basically what I'm doing is just taking these bricks and so do you guys think me putting these bricks in the dumpster, I'm gonna be over a ton? Or you don't think I have enough weight in the dumpster for it to make a difference? Because I'm honestly just putting scraps from the tiny house build. I don't think I'm really putting anything too heavy. So hopefully I don't surpass a ton, but it's only $70, so it is what it is. So guys, we finished the trash. All the trash has been put in the dumpster. So I want to use this time to show you guys what my backyard looks like now, how the tiny house looks visually without trash. But yeah, guys, the dumpster is full. Surprisingly, the dumpster got full. I didn't think it was going to get this full, but I'm happy about it because all the trash is now gone. Come check out how this trash looks. You guys think? What you guys thinking? Should I take a nap? What you guys think? Feels good to get rid of all the trash. But, you know what I'm saying? Trash is done. So typically, dumpster companies doesn't want any trash on the edges. They want it below the height. Hopefully, I'm good. I'm kind of cutting it close, but the trash must go. It's okay. I'm down to pay a fee if I want to get rid of this trash because I'm not just going to not throw away the trash I need to throw away just to save a couple of dollars. I want my backyard clean and cleared. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm about to show you guys the backyard. But yeah, guys, we did this in less than 7 days. It might have took only 4 days to get rid of all this trash. So, yeah. Guys, look. Look how clear the backyard looks. It's clean. We got rid of all the existing trash. You can see how beautiful my 426 square feet tiny house looks like now. Check it out. So you guys remember previously in the video, you've seen all the trash. You could barely see the tiny house. Look at it now, guys. So for those who've been watching the video, you guys know I'm an owner builder. I did all of this with no experience. I just want to kick some game to you guys real quick. So look at the building. For my watchers, my longtime watchers, you guys seen how it was when it was just concrete, when it went through the framing stage, when it went through the drywall stage, when it went through all the stages, right? The roofing stage. Look at it, guys. Like, we have a finished project and a finished product. Look at this. No trash. It's just so funny how you could have a thought in your mind and then you can make it look like this. I'm going to just show you guys what can be done. Hopefully, you guys like what I've showed you guys so far. You've seen that I cleared my backyard, got rid of all the trash in front of the tiny house. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a follow. It really means a lot. I really appreciate everyone who's been watching it. But like I always tell you guys, stars always shine and never give up. Let's get it.